Agriculture has grown by 16%. MSME has grown by 8%. And the entire RAM portfolio has grown by 14%. And corporate credit has grown by 9%. Bank could maintain the domestic CASA more than 40% in the September results. Under the retail, our housing loan is growing by 14%. Auto loan is growing by 51%. Jewel loan is growing by 21%. Under agri, crop loan is growing by 16%. SHG is grown by 26%. Agri allied is growing by 44%. Agri infra by 18%. So all segments of the retail, all segments of the agris are growing. MSME is growing by 8%, but the standard MSME is growing by 12%. Corporate is growing 9%, and the standard is grown by 10%. So all segment of the credit are in virtually double digits. You see the standard, and because of that growth in the business, which you are seeing from quarter after quarter, we are growing in double digits, and which is reflecting in our profitability. The net profit of the bank has grown by 36% and reached to 2,707 crore. Is against the September 23 quarter profit of 1,988. So from 1,988 crore of the September 23 quarter, we are at 2,707 crore. If you see the half yearly number, September 24 half yearly bank has crossed the profit of 5,110 crore in 6 months. 5,110 crore is against 3,697 crore of the corresponding period of last year. So this profit is coming from the operating profit. The operating profit has also grown from 4,303 crore of the September quarter itself to 4,728 crore, 10%. So operating profit also for the half year September 23 vis-a-vis September 24 has grown by 9% from 8,400 to 9,200. And how this operating profit is grown? Because of the growth in the net interest income, NII. The NII has grown by 8% from 5,741 crore of September 23 to 6,194. In half year also, the NII has grown by 8% from 11,444 crore of first half of the last year to 12,372. So this operating profit growth is based on the NII growth. Fee-based income is also grown by 11% from 805 crore of the last year to 891 crore. There is also an increase from bad debt recovery from 508 crore to 732 crore, to 44% growth. The cross sell has also increased from 42 crore to 44 crore. The priority sector lending certificate income has also grown by 8% from 169 crore to 182 crore. So this is all segments of non-interest incomes are also growing. The NII is also growing. This is based on our business growth. Now coming to the asset quality, the GNPA, gross net performing asset, has come down from 3.77% of the last quarter to 3.48%. As you know that our gross NPA and net NPA is continuously coming down.
You see that from the date of amalgamation, it was 11.2 and now it is 3.77. Likewise, the net NPA, which was 4.20 on the date of amalgamation, has come down to 0.27%. So net NPA has come down significantly, and provision coverage ratio of the bank is improved from 96.6% to 97.6%. 1%, not 1%. So PCR increase, gross NPA come down, net NPA come down. How this gross NPA net NPA come down? Because our recovery was more than 2,000 crore, slippage was 1,357 crore. You are seeing from quarter after quarter, from so many quarters, our recovery is more than our slippage. So this quarter also is against the 1,357 slippage, the recovery is 2,004 crore, 2,021 crore. Half year, if you see, the slippage and recovery is against slippage of 3,285, the recovery is close to 4,000 crore, 3,900 crore. The slippage is coming down because the collection efficiency, bank is continuously maintaining at 95%. So because of the monitoring, because of the improvement in underwriting standards, the slippage ratios has come down. Slippage ratio has also come down from 1.4 down to 1.06. The credit cost has also come down from 0.67 to 0.6. So the slippage is coming down, people recovery is more, asset quality is better, and the result, the gross and net NPAs are better. So coming to the capital is against the requirement of 11.5%. We are having a 16.55, and if I add the profit of the 6 months, it is 17.84%. So bank is adequately capitalized. It is against the requirement of 11.5. Bank is at 17.84% in spite of maintaining the credit growth of 12%. And you know, last time we paid the dividend of 120%. Prior to that, we paid the dividend of 86%. So these are the business numbers. Now, bank is doing a lot of things on the digitization front. Bank is doing a lot of things on the HR side. So I request to my colleague Bajati to tell about the digitization, how we are.
Thank you, sir. Uh, Good afternoon, friends from press and media. As MD sir was talking that it is continuing its journey, various digital initiatives. If I talk about the UPI transactions, that's gone up to per day 2.28 crore, in which the remitter transactions are 1.55 crore and beneficiary transactions are 0.73. And the mobile transactions, the bank per month, financial and non-financial, now 28 crore per month. We have only the new mobile app, omnichannel app that is InSmart, and our app rating is 4.1. This the digital journeys which we started in the first quarter of 22. Recently, we have launched 102 digital journeys. If I talk about the transaction migration, the September 23 branch transactions, but 11% it has come down to 8, and the digital transactions have gone up from 89 to 92%. It shows that during the couple of years back, we were only 50-60%. Now it has come to 92%. So majority of transactions now have gone to digital channels. If I talk about the mobile banking, it has gone up by 20% YOY from 1.51 crore to 1.81 crore, and transactions have gone by 10% from 1.59 crore to 1.76 crore. UPI users have gone up by 27% from 154 lakhs to 195 lakhs. We talk about the remitter transactions, which is grown by 62% YOY. The net banking users have gone up by 13% from 98 lakhs to 111 lakhs. The credit users have gone up by 50% from 1.77 lakhs to 2.65 lakhs. Our FASTag users also, now we are coming up with the new FASTag models. So that also has gone up by 16,000 to 21,887, which is 37%. POS number also have gone up by 56%. To talk about the digital journeys, so this year we have launched close to 24 journeys, in which 6 journeys were launched in Q1 and Q2 18 journeys. And we are planning to launch another 32 journeys. So our year plan was 56, which will be here on track. And in this, we talk about the business. Last financial year, half year, we were at 29,116 crore business we did to digital channel. And this year, this for this first half, we have done 79,059 crore, which is 172% YOY jump. Uh, we have done mostly journey in retail 36, agri 16, MSME 18. So accordingly, our ERAM business has gone up by 162% from 24,205 to 63,508. Even on the deposits liability side also, e-deposits have gone up by 206% from 49112 to 15,014 crore. And other things like we are doing EBD, EOTS, set claim settlement, that also for this half year we have done 537 crore. You can see from this chart that when we started our journey in the first quarter of June 22, it was 147 crore business for one quarter, and this financial on 30th September 2024, our this quarter business is 42,381 crore. And these are the various journeys which I told you that digital journey launched during this financial year, half year, 17 planned for 39, and the remaining 2 quarters we are going to launch another, the journey 16 plus 11 27 plus 12 other journeys like the corporate trade platform, the cash management service, the insurance platform, various journeys. As already I have told you that bank has launched its new InSmart Omni-channel platform, which we started in the month of June 24 June. And we have already onboarded 37 plus lakh customer, and for corporate mobile and net banking, this still we are in the CUG closed user group where we have given to a few customers to test it, and this new experience is totally different. If you use it, you will find it that's a huge difference in this new omni-channel app. Apart from that, bank is the digital business and fintech department. We have 136 fintechs we already empaneled, onboarded, and with that we are giving various fintech solutions to the government department, to the corporates, to the institutions, and these are the various ongoing key projects of the bank. We already talked about the digital lending platform. Then last time also we told the bank is going for the 4-way data center, which is near DR site, which will help us for zero data loss in case of the switch to the other center. Then omni-channel corporate mobile banking app, internet banking app, we already gone for the CUG. Cash management service we have launched last quarter, and but there are a lot of new ongoing projects, lot of additions, and we will do every year already. And on the as RBI has known with the ULI platform, so we have also various integrations we have done with the RBI Innovation Hub, and we have done close to 550 crore business up to 30th September, and till today we have done 1,100 crore business. And it is going up with the next gen call center, which is contact center as a services. Mobile app we have already launched the various resource acquisition centers for the relationship, the customer relationship managers. We are coming up with new app, and then the conversation generating AI chatbot for the benefit of our employees, that is employee assist. That is another ongoing key initiatives by the bank. to the next. Then DLP, the digital co-lending pair, the pool buyout platform, data analytic models. We have revamped 22 data analytic models. Cloud migration, existing digital lending platform. Presently, we are going on the microservices, which is on-premises cloud services, which is highly scalable and low cost and faster in services. Then Gen AI already in one project we told employee assist, and second we are doing the RBI Innovation Hub, which is the customer automatic driven stressor system. The CRM solution, the new way CRM solution bank has taken up. Data Lake also bank has taken up. We are going to complete our this SD1 project, which is we have completed many of the branches. Then the ISNP, the digital insurance platform bank also taken up, and we have done a couple of journeys, and it's ongoing journey. We will be doing another quarter 3 and quarter 4 also. And at least that and the corporate credit journey also will be launching in this coming quarter. Thank you very much. Any question on this we take?
Congratulations, sir.
We are doing HR center.
Hold on. Oh,
As we all are in service industry, and the only differential, I guess, is the way we serve to our customers, and how we interact with other stakeholders. So, as through HR, we are serving our 12,44,000 crores of business and around 9 crores of this customer base to a strong, dedicated, committed, and well-trained staff base of 41,470. We are very young also. Average age of our employees is only 38 years. And we are recruiting also. We are recruiting journalists in the journalist cadre, in the award staff, in the sub staff, and in the officer cadre, but at the same time, we are still recruiting in specialized skill cadre also, like risk, IT, and other specialized verticals, so that we want to be future ready. We are not only onboarding this in our staff members, but at the same time, we are training them also. We are making them future ready so that there is a proper succession planning. So training participation, we are participating in external trainings also. And this year we are this is way forward. We are training our 400 strong middle management employees so that if we are ready for 8-10 years, we will be serving to our customers in more efficient way through this leadership development program. Further, what we have done a performance management system which is dynamic. Every month, every staff is getting what they have performed and how they are listing rank, how they are listing scores. So that is also bringing in lot many this thing and commitment from the customers. We are working on their healthcare. We are working on their full existing life cycle. And yeah, that is also my suggestion.
Let me address the corporate credit segment, the SCI, supply chain finance, the cash management, and the IGSS, the new subsidiary that bank has launched. So coming to the mid corporate credit, from 25 crore to 150 crore, we categorize as mid corporate credit. As on 30th September, the mid corporate credit stood at 43,793 crores, a year-on-year growth of 20%. To cater to this mid corporate segment, the bank has at present 29 mid corporate branches present across the country. And this financial year, we have added one. So earlier it was 28, we added one, that is in Erode. And we have one in pipeline that we will soon launch in the coming days. If you see in the mid corporate segment, it is a focused segment for the bank because the yield on this particular advances are better than corporate credit, large corporate credit advances. Now coming to the supply chain finance and cash management system, the bank has an income of 100 crores in Q2 in cash management system, which is increased from 27 crores the corresponding year earlier year. So this cash management income includes direct debit mandate, NACH mandate, IV collect, B collect, and other products that is available. Supply chain finance is a new vertical that we introduced last year, and with no time we achieved 700 plus crore of AUM during this 1 year period. We have added 10 anchors in supply chain finance. So after supply chain finance, now lastly the IGSS. This is the subsidiary bank started in the last financial year. In the month of March 2024, we started. The basic purpose of IGSS is to support the bank in couple of functions which is permitted by RBI, like sales, collection, and operation. So when we say sales, it is liability sales and asset sales. So we have started this operation in 3 zones: Chennai North, Chennai South, and Unnamali zone to begin with. So the standard that we have set for this IGSS for these 3 activities. So all these standards have been met and we are above the target or benchmark level, you can say. So to begin with, we started with CASA mobilization, vehicle loan sales, home loan sales, personal loan sales, and collection. And slowly we'll move towards operation in the days to come. And once we gather momentum, we'll understand this activities with these 3 zones will expand to all our 90 zones or the zones that will be in the future. Thank you.
It's happening.
Good afternoon, friends. Basically, we are full-fledged banking. So, in order to penetrate more into the deeper penetration of the agriculture sector and rural sector particularly, we are going to broad base our BC network. Initially, we were having 15 corporate BCs. We have increased their strength to 20, and close to 11,000 operating points were there. Now we have close to 13,000 operating points of the BCs, which are going to increase by 2,000 by 2025, March 25. So it will be close to 15,000. So these branches, these corporate BCs will be serving as the extended arm of the branches, providing services in the rural areas. Secondly, people would have seen that nowadays compliance is of prime importance. So we are going to integrate that through the system so that online monitoring the compliance systems can be done. So whatever the aberrations are coming, they will also be taken care of, and we will improve the compliance also in terms of the regulatory guidelines.
Congratulations everyone for the fabulous performance. Now I would like our media friends to ask Q&A. Before asking their question, request you all to introduce yourself and the publication and then ask the questions.
I'm from Chinese Press News. Recently, there is stress on CASA deposits. How we are going to overcome that? How many new accounts you added in CASA?
So today basically as you must be reading the papers, our bank is ready to face these challenges. We have opened around a 27 lakhs account in the last half is against 58 lakhs account last financial year. Bank is coming out with the differentiated products for the customers. Bank is now opening the accounts for TAP. 96% account are being opened to the TAP. We are having created 100 resource acquisition centers where we are catering to the HNI customer, NRI customer. This is a marketing wing. We have 450 relationship managers we have before. We are improving our products, features. We are increase the interest rate also in our 400 days we are giving 7.3. We are also using digital health. So all way we are facing this. And you see bank is successfully able to maintain domestic CASA more than 40% in this community.
Last meeting you said that we were focusing on MSE branches. This slide you not talk about MSE branches. You have any focuses on that and you're going to expand corporate branches in Europe.
So what we are doing MSME business three, four ways. One is the mid corporate branches, which my colleague Ashutosh has already have developed 28, 29 mid corporate branches having a cycle between 35 to 100 crores. Below this 35 crores, we are having the 80 MAPCs. This we are doing, and what we have done in addition to that, we are coming out with these products. The products are offered specific to the clusters. Products are offered from the corporate office based on the GST, based on the digital footprint. So we are offering the product based on digital footprints, based on the clusters, based on the security, based on the number of ways we are funding the MSIs.
Hospitals. In any sequence in hospitals in patients.
Last quarter slippage was 1,357.
Customer
No, no, not a big account. Alas, last one. We go deeper into that, we find that out of this 1,357, 130 crore is in retail. Retail means some is housing, some is education, some is small account. Agriculture is the 681 crore. So the KCC accounts or the KCC Agri Allied in the account. MSME account 308 and the corporate 238 accounts in 4 accounts. So total big accounts and total is 1,357, which is 1.06% of our book, and the recovery is 2,000.
Thank you. I am from Freelance Media News Network, sir. So recently we have heard about the crime news regarding tampering and tampering of ATMs in around the city of Tamil Nadu. So in this situation, what the Indian Bank has taken any steps to strengthen the security and safety of ATMs.
I understood that. Okay.
So, as far as the ATMs are concerned, what we have done, we have now 24/7 e-surveillance. So, wherever anything happens in any ATM, immediately call goes to the branch manager, the ATM officer, and the police station. So, all those things for all the ATMs, we are providing e-surveillance. So, that helps us in saving this from this kind of action.
Surveillance is 24/7. Okay, thanks, sir. Thank you very much.
Good evening, sir. This is Bhaskar Editor of Fluid Nation Publications. We are giving importance to the mid-corp and corporate sector bank. We plan to start one specialized branch for each and every district in Tamil Nadu so that it will give more service to the MSMEs people.
We are having branches, 1,100 branches in Tamil Nadu.
It's not an MSME branch.
But MSME starts with the SLG. SLG is today's SLG is also tomorrow's MSME. Small operations which they are classified as the MSME. So we are having even for SLGs micro state branches. Around 50 micro state branches we are having. And in Tamil Nadu also we are having in all those mid corporate MSME processing centers. Whatever proposal comes, or we have marketing wing also in MSME, so that they go bring the proposal, assess the proposal, and sanction the proposal. So that way, both side branches are also checking. This MSME people are MSME people are also going into the field, and this is how we are increasing our business. And we are in some of the centers we are offering with MSME branches in Tamil Nadu as well. Number 2 and 3, 4 places. Pandi and all where we are classified.
Last year, how many new branches were in Tamil Nadu sector?
Last time we said that the entire financial year 24-25 we said that 100 branches will be opening. So we have given the approval for around 51 branches out 6 months. Out of 51, 15 have already been opened and 36 will be opened very soon. So we are committed to 100 new branches in this direction.
Thank you, sir.
Is there any further questions?
I'm Shankaran from Malakabrangi, sir. Generally, there is a toss that small people will get loans and they pay, but big shots from some big companies get much amount as loan, but they are not paying. Like that, is there any particular people in Indian Bank?
You see our CMDs for the first quarter, there was zero slippage in corporate. When we talking about it. Even the entire half year slippage is 238 crores. So this, considering the size of 1,70,000 crore, is a very small amount. And this 238 crore is because of the cash flow mismatches. In textile sector, you know, there is a volatility in the cotton prices and all. So there is no big issue here. But
Any further questions? Thank you all respected dignitaries on the dais, and thank you media fraternity for being present today. Happy Diwali to everyone here.
yeah, happy Diwali to all.
Happy Diwali to all.